Hello everybody, this is CJ Wilson of Firkins Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram, and what we're taking a look at here is a 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara. This thing is completely decked out. So this actually has upgraded LED headlights on it. As you can see, there's a lot of chrome accessories done. Like, these hinges are actually solid stainless steel, so I mean, it's hard to tell, but really nicely done. It came with the chrome side steps, so it kind of just helps pull everything together. Leather interior, has the heated seats, and it's got the, obviously, your climate control there, but then the heated seats, and then you do have like a 3-prong outlet right there. This has an upgraded stereo system in it, so it's got Bluetooth and backup camera. And then taking a look at the back here, what you're seeing in those boxes is actually the original mirrors. It only has 7,300 miles on it. It's something we're going to certify, so it's going to give you, a 7-year, 100,000-mile engine and powertrain warranty, and then the extended, comprehensive coverage as well. But here's a look at the back. It is equipped to the tow package and the wiring already in there. And then it's got like the chrome protectors around the tail lamps. And I mean, just really nicely done, really clean vehicle. You'd be hard to find, 2017 this nice, this low miles. So it's something you're only going to find here at Firkins. To find out more about this vehicle and others like it, you can contact me, CJ Wilson, at 941-704-3169, or you can visit our website at www.firkinscj.com, and we'll see you soon.